So let's say that you need a really good quality winter jacket that is going to give you everything you need for like going out camping, hiking, fishing, going out skiing or things like that. This one that this man sent to me for the video, it is fantastic. Just for reference, I'm 5'10", I weigh 190 pounds, and this right here is the size large. Check this out. It comes with the Sherpa inside and also pockets inside, as you can see over here. This one even has a zipper, multiple sizes, multiple colors. You don't have to worry about that. Just pick yours, the one that you like the most. But this one is extremely good for outdoors. Number one, it comes with the zipper, as you're gonna see over here. Then you're gonna see that this one runs a little bit on the tight side. This is a tight jacket. Again, 190 pounds, 5'10", and this is the size large. But this is a tight jacket. It's intended to be tight for those situations that I told you before, like if you're going out skiing or camping, hiking. It's like super baggy, super big. Then also, this is a really nice thing to have. Like for example, if you're going out fishing, this one right here, it is fantastic. It also comes with Velcro, as you're gonna see over here. So if you have like a smartwatch or something like that, you can put it inside and protect it from the rain. Talking about the rain, you have this fantastic hoodie, which by the way, you can remove if you want. And this one, as you're gonna see, with the zipper and the buttons and the Velcro, protect your neck. And then you can put this as well, this Velcro over here, and have it even more enclosed with a Sherpa and the hoodie as well. Let me show you something else right here, because I want to just for you to check that this one, it is, check this out, 100% waterproof, no issues here. So that is really nice to have if you get like caught in the rain or something like that. The pockets on the side comes with a zipper, so you can actually put your devices. But then let me show you this, because I believe that this one is the best one. This one, you can put your cell phone right here and feel it when it's vibrating, or you can put a hand warmer, turn it on, and have that one close to your chest and your heart, and kind of like have that really nice warm blood circulation for the winter. This is just a fantastic jacket. Comes with everything you need, multiple sizes, multiple colors, and of course, just remember 5'10", 190, and this is the size large. This is your next winter jacket for sure.